Hi everyone, welcome to week 2, day 2. We are going to again be reviewing short I. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and remind you that if you have access to a printer and you would like to print out the word building worksheet to follow along and complete with me, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we'll continue to write in the air, sound things out together, okay? So let's go ahead and get started here. The first word I want to stretch out is
B, B, I, N.
So we have b, I, n. Let's put all of those sounds together. B, I, n, bin. Good. Let's try another. Our next one we're going to build.
I, N.
S, I, n, sin. Good. If you want to go ahead and write that one in the air, you can. If you're writing down on your worksheet at home, go ahead, you can write that word down. Let's do one more together and then I'll let you do the last few on your own. So here we go. F, I, n.
N.
So we have f, I, n. Let's put all the sounds together. Fin. Good. Well, this one, if you want to go ahead, you can write it down or you can write it in the air. I'll give you some time. And again, this word was fin. All right, so now that we've had a few to get warmed up and kind of practice for today, I'm going to give you some to go ahead and try on your own. The first word I want you to try is win. I'll say it again for you. Win. What is the beginning sound you hear in win?
W.
What is the next sound you hear in win?
I,
And the ending sound or the last sound in win?
N.
Good. So we built the word win. Friends, if you've noticed, all of our words in this video end in the IN. Okay, they end in. I have a question for you. Do all of these words rhyme? Yes, they have the same ending sound. Let's try another. Okay, the word I want you to try is pin. See if you can get all of the sounds. Stretch it out. Pin. I'll go ahead and give you some time. What is the beginning sound you hear in pin? P. Good. What is the next sound?
I,
And the last sound or the final sound in pin?
N.
Good. Pin. Go ahead, you guys can write that one down or write it in the air. And the last one I want you to try is the word tin. I'll say it again for you. Tin. Now I'll go ahead and give you some time. Think about the beginning, middle, and end sounds. Stretch out that word. All right, you've had some time, so let's think here. What is the beginning sound, the first sound you hear in tin? T.
T.
That is correct. Let's go to the next sound. In tin.
I. It.
And the last sound, or the ending sound.
N.
Good, we have t, I, n, tin. Awesome job. All right, everyone, that is the last word that we're building for this video. Again, this is the IN word family or ending. It sounds like in, all right, and we just changed that beginning letter here. Stay tuned and I'll have another video for you tomorrow. All right, have a good one. See ya.